cheese. Welcome to Anshu's Little Kitchen. Snacks, shakes, salads and many more. So friends, in this video, it's a bit special. So why special? Any guesses? Yep. So we are doing behind the scenes bloopers which you have never seen in Anshu's Little Kitchen any video. So in this video at the end you have to see, you can see, it's not scripted yet, I'm not practicing. Okay. So today my cousins came for the weekend and for the week. So it's gonna be super duper fun and we are gonna have really nice time. Okay. So coming to the recipe, we are going to make something like very tasty. Wait. I am just asking a question. So the question I'm asking you is, what do you eat for breakfast?
Idli, dosa, upma, poha, chutney.
So you might be having idli. Oh wait, you heard my mind voice, right? So that was my mind voice. So you might be having these of it. But if I should choose some of these things, I would only choose poha. Because idli, dosa, chutney, sambar, these all are common at my home because South Indian custard. Okay. So I am making today poha nuggets. So this is very tasty and this is a perfect evening snack for you. And also in this lockdown with your home ingredients, you can prepare it. So let's see. Check out the ingredients. So friends, here comes the ingredient time. So Atkulu, the rice flakes, the most important thing in this recipe. I am taking some fat ones, but you can use the regular ones you use. This should be a little bit crispy. Or if it is soft also, no problem. Next, I am using poha masala. And I will be telling you the ingredients after all the ingredients are done. Next, I am going to use rice flour for crispiness. This is, you have to use this just for crispiness. Then salt for taste. Then chili flakes. This is optional because we are already having this poha masala. So chili flakes is just optional. And for just a little bit of, for the adjusting and come back, that thing what I don't know, we are using aloo. This is boiled and mashed. You can use grated ones or anything. And I'm using water. Water I'm using little bit only. And then we will be using oil, but oil I'm not using. So now, friends, let's now, and I forgot, for poha masala, this poha masala, what you have to do is, I took some amchur powder, chaat masala, garam masala, and little bit of water, added it and mixed it. So, and you can add, I also added turmeric in this, and add some water and mix it. This is, you can use this for any curries or whatever dish you're preparing. This can be used in that. So now this I prepare some, if I make any curries or anything, I mix like this only, like all the masalas, and I call it that curry masala, this curry masala, Manchurian masala. Okay, so now before not getting late into anything, now let's check out what do you have to check out next. You all know, yes, procedure. I am excited and you are also excited. Let's go. Okay, so now this is the procedure time. Now we need to just wash these poha nuggets, the poha atkulu. Now take a little bit of water and wash them nicely. Some water, madam. And mix them nicely until they're a little bit soft. Just wash it a little bit. So nice, soft and everything. You have to wash poha, friends, because anytime we buy poha, lots of dust is present in that. So wash it nicely. And like this it should be, like this, very soft, so that it comes nice while making the nuggets. So I'm adding a little bit of water and mix it. So friends, now I have squeezed the poha and I have added into this like this, as you can see. So it's nice and it's very, what we can say that, soft and squeezy. And now into this, now I'm going to add aloo. Okay, so aloo is just for the whatever. Okay, so add the aloo like this and just mix them. Aloo is just for the grip, what we can say. I know the word only that. Okay, now we are going to add some rice flour. Add it gradually, how we added for cakes, milk, like that. And we will add all of that masalas and everything later. Okay, now again add little bit. This is for just crispiness and mix it. Now salt, we are adding how much of it is there. You can take salt as per your quantity. Next I am using the poha masala. I told you the damchur powder and everything. So this is used for curries. It comes nice whenever I make it. Ask my mom if you want. How does it come? It comes very nice. Okay, now after mixing this, we are going to add chili flakes. If you don't have chili flakes, sorry friends for the disturbance. They both are my cousins, irritating ones. Okay, so mix it nicely. And if you need more rice flour, you can add all of it. I mean, okay. So now we are going to mix it. And now what we are going to do is something very special. Okay. So it comes under. Before doing anything, first apply oil for this procedure. Now take the mixture and also before that keep the kadai on and put the oil into that. Fortune defense. Okay. So now take one mixture. Sorry, I was not saying. Take one mixture. First you need to make a round like this. But now we are making into a rectangle type thing. Now take it like this and do it like this. Best thing. So you have to make it like this, as you can see, and then press it nicely. So it's nice like this. So now the oil which we have kept it in heat, now I'm going to put it in it. So as you can see now, we are going to fry till golden brown and I'm going to make others. So now our he was like clicking all the mayonnaise like from that time. Okay, so our poha nuggets are ready. So Hasik, are you ready to taste? Yes. It's very tasty. I liked it. Hasik, you want to taste? Taste. Have it with sauce. Why is it not mayonnaise? Nice, crunchy also. Ma, have a bite. Okay, she'll have later. Okay, so friends, please try it. Wait. Don't go anywhere. I'm not going to give the subscription note, but wait for the bloopers. So, like, share, subscribe. And now, let's check the bloopers. It can be. So now we are going to take the mixture into our hands. Before that, if this becomes sticky like me, take a bit. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇలా నగెట్స్ ని బాగా మిక్స్ చేసుకున్నాక అది సర్కిల్
డబ్బా అది రోల్ అంటారు, రెక్టాంగిల్ అంటారు. ఆవిడ చెప్తుంది రెక్టాంగిల్ అంట, అది రోల్.
ఇది రెక్టాంగిల్ కదమ్మా,
అది రోల్.
అది ఏదో ఒకటి రోల్ రెక్టాంగిల్. నగెట్టేనా ఇది? అవునా కాదా? చెప్పు.
No.
వంద జన్మలకు మీకు మా అమ్మ వాయిస్
బిగ్ నగెట్
వేసి ట్రై చేసేద్దాం.
వరల్డ్స్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ నగెట్.
హలో బాబాయ్, ఇది కలపాలమ్మా, అతుక్కుంటుంది బా. కానీ ఎంతో ఈవినింగ్ స్నాక్స్. హలో, నమస్కారం సార్. దీన్ని
గ్లాసులో బిండు ఒక పని
అదే రవ కేసరి ఉందా, రవ కేసరి ఇలా బాల్స్ కట్ చేసి ఆయిల్